Hello everyone, today I will show you how can we check our penalties and our tax returns online. First up, click here. So if you don't have any account, you should create account and click here, create account. So you can choose individual, business, tax pro. If you create individual, you can use refunds, tax records, payments, notifications. If you want to use your business, so you don't have any individuals, and you can use account balance, payment, tax record, notes and letters. It is important for us because we are non-residents and we want to know our penalties and our account balance owes. And this is for us. If you want to create here, just click here. You should create your IDMe account because I already have account. And so you can see here already see my name, my last name. But firstly, create IDMe account for government. Your account in the IDMe, there are documents and prove your address, your documents, passport, your bank statements, and so on. When there's belief and prove your documents, then they'll call you video call from IRS, and there's talk your video call and ask some questions about yourself, and you should introduce yourself, who you are, and where you live, and also they're ask about passport and passport number, your where you from, where you live, and your birthday, and also and so on. And there's proof yourself, your account, or you can use this account and sign in. This is strong and strict about this opening account. And so when you create it, and you can use all government online platforms. You can see here IRS, Social Security Administrations, Departments of Veterans Affairs, and so on. You can see there's have a lot of. Anyway, now we just need is International Revenue Service because we don't need Social Security Administrations because we don't have any SSN if we are not US citizen. Also, you can filter by federal and state and where's your business, Montana, and so on. Also, you can use category and accounting, financial benefits, and so on. Also, you can use individuals and business. If you click and connect with IDMe, there is have some security questions, and just click here and follow rules. When you follow rules, you can see here and connect a login IRS. This is my account. You can see is my name and first name, some notifications, account status. It is important for me just account balance. I will show just account balance and notification and letters. That's not important another. You can see is account balance, and if you have some owe, maybe it's penalties or maybe it's some owe, so you can see here, just click here. So this is have some notes, income tax. I haven't filed my income for some 1040 years. I will do it maybe next week. Anyway, if you have some penalties, you can see here. Also, some records and status, tax records, refund status. If you click here, you can see your view transcripts yourself, and so on. Also, it is important notes and letter for our business. You can see his all notes and letters. You can see I don't have any notes. Also, there's have some information from IRS. This page has digital versions of some IRS notes. Please continue to check your postal mail for IRS paper notes not yet available online. That's meaning IRS says that If you don't see any information about your penalties or another information, that doesn't mean you don't have any notes or letters. However, we know IRS sent firstly paper notes to your postal mail, or maybe it's your US address, or maybe US business address. Maybe you use your agency address. You should mail ask them. Then if you can't contact your agency or your postal mail IRS, you can also call them and ask them about your tax status, or maybe it's notes or letters. So this is our IRS account, and you can use it and you can check your information.